Hi, this is project number 2, the covers one for online Harvard CS50 web program with Python and JavaScript course. Let's go to the default route URL that is our active listing 2. You can see there is just one entity. And now there is some details about it. The optional photo is present now, and there is some close listings too. This one, you can see that in the listing page we can see some other details. However, as we are not signed in, cannot see watchlist, comment, other possibilities. Let's log into the admin one, for example, and let's see what's going on. Our closed listing. For example, if you're a winner or not. No, this listing is closed, but the admin is not the winner. We can still add comment or add it to our watch list. So we can see that watch list can have closed or opened active listings. You can see that in our watch list we have these two, but we can remove them. Watch list. Ask us, are you sure that we are sure? So our watch list is updated. Let's get out to the other user that was the winner of that listing. Let's see what's going on, the differences. The closed listing, the lamp, and the winner. We have the winner's message here. And let's add some extra bits to these, like 100, less than. So it says that you should place a bit greater. So with this, the update is that there is 2 bits. Your bit is the current bit, just for this user. Let's get back to the admin, see what's going on here. Yes, there is 2 bits, but your bit, this user space, is not the current one. Let's go to the category and see what's going on. With just 2 categories here, and let's create some other this and this one without any categories, and let's say it will put it on uncategorized. This picture, you can see that it is uncategorized. The things still we can place some bits, close it, and some other possibilities. Let's go to the admin panel. We have bits, categories, comments, listings, and edit them. For example, this one, I think it was a closed one. Yes, so let's change to active. That's what we have. We can delete, change others. So now it is in the listing, active listing 1, and we can place bits anymore. Thank you very much for watching this.